All right, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about cleaning the screen of our Tesla Model 3, or any Tesla for that matter, or any car for that matter. But specifically today, we're going to be talking about the Tesla Model 3. And what I want to share with you, after 1 year of ownership, man, I really like this car. But there are a few areas of the car that tend to get dirty. And I'm going to show you how to keep it brand spanking new looking, because I know we all want it brand spanking new. So if you've been watching any of these videos, we're going through a process of cleaning the car with the stuff that I've learned over 1 year. Now I clean my car on a routine basis and it looks brand new. So I trust these techniques and products, and they'll work great for you too. So let's start with the screen cleaning mode. We're going to go to display. Then we'll go to screen clean mode. Now it turns totally black. For this, I'm going to use Stoner's Invisible Glass. I'm not going to go crazy with the amount of product I put on, just a little bit. And I'm going to put it on the rag here. And I want to be careful when I'm spraying stuff like this. I don't get it all over the car. So I'll just hold it in the rag. Little shot like that. Not much at all, just barely dampen it. And now I'm going to clean the surface of the screen. Now what I like about this product is it doesn't leave any residue on there, and no streaks and no lint. Man, as you can see, that quick, it is like new. Now to get it back, you just hold the exit. And there it is, brand spanking shiny new. Anybody can do it with very little products. I'll put a link to this in the description so that you can take a look. But this is a Stoner's Invisible Glass. It works awesome. I use it on the windows outside. I use it on the screen in here. But again, I'm careful not to get this all over the car. So be careful with that. Even if you want to, you can spray it outside. So with that being said, if you like these kind of videos and you want to see more of them, we appreciate you hitting that subscribe button down there and turning on the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Man, we sure like our subscribers. When that channel grows with subscribers, that lets us know that we're doing the good videos. We also like the likes. The likes help us get moved up in the rankings and allow more people to see the video, and that sure helps us too. And it doesn't cost a thing. That's the cool part. If you have any questions about what I'm doing during these detailed tutorials, feel free to ask. If you have a Tesla or you don't have a Tesla, it doesn't matter. I'll do my best to answer as quick as I can and help you guys out all that I can. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Yeah.